Hello, this is Richard Mills from Digital Schools. In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at adding photos into the curriculum areas of these overlay windows. So the overlay windows is generally found in the curriculum sections. So when you click on one of these boxes, it opens up a layer on top of your window with the box where you can close out of it: performing arts, physical education, visual arts, etc. Now, let's say you had an amazing art day and or an art show, and you want to add some pictures into this overlay for people to see. So it's really simple to do that. We need to close out of this. It doesn't get edited within this page. Remember, these are overlays. So what we need to do is go to the WordPress dashboard, which is here, and click over here on Divi Overlays, and it opens up this page here. Now what you need to do is look for the corresponding overlay that you want to modify. So in this case, we're going to modify the visual arts overlay. So you need to come down here and look for the visual arts overlay. There it is there, curriculum, visual arts. You need to click on that. Now, as you may have seen in some other tutorials, if you've watched any of the Divi overlay tutorials, it's slightly different because you don't get access to the visual builder. You need to build in this section here. So basically it's broken up. This is the green section is always the rows, and at the moment this has 2 columns. So this row has 2 columns, and if I click on this here, you'll actually be able to see, well, you can't actually see, but it's probably got this one selected here, 1/3 and 2/3. In fact, it's 2/3 and 1/3 that way there. So you can kind of see that that's about the rough dimensions that it's broken up. I could always change that to be 50-50, and you'll see that that's actually been changed. But let's just move that back to the way it was, which was 2/3, 1/3. So we want to modify, and again, if we have another look there, 2/3 of it is text and 1/3 is these pictures down the side. So we would probably want to put our picture in just here somewhere. So what I would do is click on the Divi overlay, and there's 2 ways I can do it. I can go into the text settings, which is right there, and I can put my photo down the bottom by just getting my mouse cursor down there, and just scroll back up to add media. And what I want to do is upload a file, so I need to bring it in from where I've saved it. Now I happen to have one sitting here ready to go. That's the one I'm going to use. I'm going to open that. Wait for it to load in. Depending on how fast your internet speed is, will depend on how quickly that loads in. There we go, they've loaded that in. Now, something really important, you need to scroll down here to attachment display settings. Just make sure the link is set to none. The alignment can be set to none, and the size is generally the thing that you'll need to change. So often it will set your size to medium. You always want to set it to full size, just like that, to make sure you get the highest resolution version of your image. The other thing you'll notice is the size of the photo up here. It's really good to make sure you're saving, you're compressing any photos or anything you're uploading into your Digital Schools website to get it really small. Now, there's a separate tutorial which you can search for on how to compress images for web. So keep an eye out for that. That's somewhere on the database here. So if you search for optimization or compressing images for uploading to the web, you'll find a full tutorial on how to compress your images. Once you're happy that you've selected the photo, so that's the one we want. If it was that one, then you would tick that, but it's that one we want, and it's full size. We click on Insert into Page, and then what you'll notice is that it will slowly insert that image into the page. So it's just loading, it's taking some time. What I can do is click on the tool here in the middle, the eye, just to preview that. And there's my image there, perfect. One other thing you could do, if you need to resize it, or if it's a bit big or a bit small, you can always just click and resize it there. The other thing you can do, you might want it in the middle of the text, so you just get your cursor wherever you want it, same as what we did before, add media, and insert it into the page, and then it just pops it in the middle there. So you've got some options there. Let's save and exit that. Don't forget to update over here. Really important. It won't work. If you don't update it, it will not work. Wait for that to update, which is now done. I'm going to go back here. Remember, if you test it and it's not there, the reason it's not there is because you have not refreshed your page. You need to refresh your browser. Wait for that to refresh. There we go. It's reloaded. Click on Visual Arts and there's that image there. Simple as that. That's how easy it is to update the Divi overlays in your digital schools website. If you haven't seen the tutorial on compressing images, it's a really, really important one because if you put images in there that are too big, then your website will load really slow, which is really bad all around for everyone that's viewing your website. So compressing your images is really important. It's very simple, so keep an eye out for that tutorial if you're going to be uploading images into your digital schools website. This is Richard Mills. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Of course, reach out if you have any questions, need any assistance. We're very, very happy to help you.